हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 9 का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर 3 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिजाइन के केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। आज की इस वीडियो में जो हमारा केस है वो एक पैसेज है, उसके ऊपर बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। पैसेज है, एवरी कंट्री हैज डाइवर्स ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, their relationship may not have been as bad as that between the whites and blacks in South Africa, but all over the world people have differences of opinion and interest. Whether democratic or not, most countries in the world need to have these basic rules. This applies not just to government. Any association need to have its constitution. It would be a club in your area or cooperative society or a political party. They all need a constitution. Thus, the constitution of a country is a set of written rules that are accepted by the people living together in a country. Constitution is the supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory called citizens, and also the relationship between people and government. Clear? Let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is, which type of country have constitution? Options are only democratic countries or non-democratic countries or both 1 and 2 or none of the above. Answer is both 1 and 2, means democratic countries or non-democratic countries all need a constitution. Next question is, constitution, options are, is a set of written rules that are accepted by all citizens of the country or is supreme law or determines relationship among citizens and relationship between citizens and government or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Constitution is a set of written rules which is considered supreme law because it determines the relationship among citizens as well as citizens and government. Next question is, why do we need constitution? Options are, it generates trust and coordination, or it limits power of government, or it provides rights to citizens of the country, or all of the above. Again, answer is all of the above. Constitution is required because it creates trust and coordination, limits the power of government and provides rights to citizens. Next question is, who among these was not member of Constitution Assembly? Options are Mahatma Gandhi or B.R. Ambedkar or Rajendra Prasad or Sarojini Naidu. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. When the Constitution was designing, Constitution Assembly was constituted. In that assembly, Mahatma Gandhi was not the member of the assembly. Next question is, who need constitution? Options are government of the country or cooperative society or club or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. We just have read that constitution is required by all territories, whether it is a club or association or any kind of cooperative society or government. Every association should have constitution so that the function could be performed properly in order. That is all for today. I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइए। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, रिलेटिव्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नई नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहे। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में एक नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट